19-year-old bartender Tamika Nikki Atherton was reportedly found hanging from a tree near her home on Tuesday, January 2. The police have ruled her death as suicide. This was her second attempt. She had tried before. She was seen hanging from a tree and was cut down. She did it again today, head of the St. Mary Police Division, Superintendent Bobette Morgan Simpson told Observer Online. According to police reports, Atherton was at home on Sports Road in Islington when she told her mother and stepfather she was going outside to do laundry. Her stepfather went in search of her when she failed to return after a few hours. He reportedly discovered her body hanging by a hose from a tree. The police were called and Atherton's body was removed. Ongoing speculation suggests that she was facing financial challenges and relationship problems. The Islington police are investigating. A Westmoreland farmer who is accused of killing a man and injuring another in a gun attack on Rickett Street, Savannah in the parish on Saturday, December 30, has been arrested and charged. Charged with murder and wounding with intent is 25-year-old Tommy McFarlane of Ricketts Avenue, Savannah, Westmoreland. He is accused of killing 27-year-old Kemoy Wilson, otherwise called Moy. Reports from the Savannah police said at about 10:55 p.m., Wilson and another man were standing on the roadway when a black Toyota Voxy motor car drove up and McFarlane and another man opened gunfire at the men. Both men were taken to hospital where Wilson was pronounced dead and the other man admitted for treatment. The following day, McFarlane was apprehended during a targeted raid and was taken into custody where he was subsequently charged. His court date is being finalized. The Trelawney police have charged a man for the murder of his brother-in-law in Wakesfield on Saturday. The police have also renewed their appeal for a woman being sought in relation to the murder of her husband to turn herself in. The woman and her brother are accused of involvement in the killing of 59-year-old fisherman David Brown of Moorfield District in Wakesfield during a domestic dispute. Reports are that on December 30 about 5:30 a.m., residents heard screams from the house and later stumbled on the wounded man in nearby bushes. The police were alerted and on their arrival, Brown was found wrapped in a sheet with wounds all over his body. Brown was taken to hospital where he later succumbed. Head of the Trelawney Police, Deputy Superintendent Winston Milton, told IRFM News that the woman's brother, whose identity has not yet been released, has since been charged in connection with Brown's death, while Brown's widow remains on the run.